A very good morning to all my dear students of Standard 4. I am your maths teacher, Miss Khushbu Jain. Today we are going to do some math exercises that is related to our previous topics that we have discussed in our previous video. We can go towards the exercise questions. So let's get started. So students, as I told you about all the concepts regarding these exercises questions, so without wasting any time, we can go through these exercise questions. I will do two parts of each and every question here, and after that you will do it by yourself. So question number A of exercise 1.4 is find the place value of encircled digit in the given number. First is 3 5 1 3 and the encircled digit is this. Here you have to find the place value of encircled digit. Encircled digit means जो भी डिजिट सर्कल में हो रखी है उसको आपको उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू आपको फाइंड करनी है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. आपको सबको पता है, यू विल राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू हियर. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो ये 3 कौन सी प्लेस पर है? 1000. यू विल राइट 3000 लाइक दिस, और यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस as I told you earlier. Now in this we have this digit 15,305. इसमें आपको 5 की निकालनी है प्लेस वैल्यू. 5 कौन सी प्लेस पर है? 1000 प्लेस पर. You can write like this or you can write like this. Here we have completed question number A of exercise 1.4. We are moving to the next question, that is question number B. Question number B is expand the given numbers. आपको इन numbers को expand करना है जो numbers आपको दे रखे. So first number is 31,182. You have to expand this. And the next one is 14,543. You have to expand this too. Now for the first one, expanded form के लिए मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है that you have to write every digit, every single place values with their zeros. So this is 3. आगे जितनी भी digits है सारी 0. So it means ये 30,000 हो गया, plus 1 1000 plus 100 plus 8 means 80 plus 2. 31,182. For this, first digit is 1 and its place value is 10,000. Alright. 4 की place value 1000 है. 5 is at 100. 4 is at tens and 3 is at ones. So this is how you can solve this. Alright. Without wasting any time, we are moving to the next question, question number C. Question number C is write the numbers. Expand form दे रखी है, you have to write the numbers only in standard form. So first is 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 5. You have to write the standard form for this. For next, we have 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 8. For this you have to write the standard form. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म या तो आप इसको एक मेथड कर सकते हैं कि आप सबको प्लस कर लो, वरना आप अपने माइंड में ये रखो कि जो 10,000 की प्लेस पर होता है तो उसमें एक इतने जीरो आते हैं. आफ्टर दैट 4 zeros के बाद 3 zeros है, इट मीन्स ये इसके नेक्स्ट वाला है. आफ्टर दैट 3 zeros के बाद 2 zeros है, इट मीन्स ये ये और ये. This is the easiest way. You can try the longest one too by this. I can show you here. आप इन digits को यहाँ पर लिख लेंगे. After that you can add these digits. तो add करके क्या आएगा? इसमें सिर्फ 5 है, that is 5. There 9. 0 plus 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 3, 3, 6. So you can get this, the same number. And this is the shortcut that I used here. ये just mind में हो जाता है. We just have some few time to take seconds to solve this. Now this 50,000, 4 zeros after 3 zeros. So 5 के बाद 4, 5 के बाद 1. First digit. Now this 2, 4, 2, 8. This will be the answer. I hope this must be clear to everyone. Now without wasting any time, with this I think we have the another question too. Question number D. Again you have to do the expand form. First is 56,204 and the next is 39,350. All right. So with this, we have to do. We have to just expand this. Expandation of this number is very easy. We can put the zeros according to the places. ये हो गया एक. नेक्स्ट के लिए 39 है फर्स्ट, तो 3 के बाद जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं उतने 0. आफ्टर दैट 9 के बाद जितने डिजिट्स हैं उतने 0. आफ्टर दैट 3 के आफ्टर जितने भी 0 हैं उतने 0 प्लस 1 means 10. This is the expand from these numbers. So with this we have completed exercise 1.4. In exercise 1.5 we have 3 questions, and the very first question is write the successor and predecessors of the following numbers. So what numbers we have? Now we have 3, 4. This we have to write this predecessor here and successor here. Next number is for this we have to do the same. 34,110. इसका successor क्या होगा? We have to add 1 to find the successor. तो इसमें आप ऐड कर देंगे, you will get this 34,111. And for this, now we have to find the predecessor of this number. We will subtract 1 from here. What we will get? 110 है, 109. All right. Here, to find the successor, we will add 1 here. With adding 9 plus 1, 0. Carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry on 3. 4, 2, 7. 72,400. And if we go back to the predecessor, we will subtract 1. And for this, we get this. Alright. On the next question, the same. You have to write the successor and predecessor of this. You will do it by yourself. Question number C is comparison. आपको ये भी आता है. You will do it also by yourself. Now 1.6 we have already done in our previous video.
Stay safe, stay home, and do more and more practice. Thanks for watching.